IBM is investing in blockchain technology, and in supply chain, there is a natural business transformation opportunity for many of our clients. Today, I'll take you through the minimum viable product of a blockchain solution to customs import declaration for shipments from Poughkeepsie to Singapore. How to apply blockchain technology to supply chain? In supply chain, we transfer assets across a business network. Goods, services, information, money that blockchain can make more expeditious and in a trustful mode. What we get with blockchain is this shared ledger capability, which means we get full and timely visibility from end to end into that business network. The typical journey from a manufacturer to the consumer is legally regulated. Export declarations, export and import brokers, logistics providers, custom agents, and financial institutions. These steps can be accelerated by eliminating redundant data checking and validation by third parties and still maintaining the integrity of each involved process. Let me show you the opportunities and benefits of the Customs Declaration MVP. Every time that we ship a product, a set of documents needs to support its movement. We need to communicate the value of the goods, description of the content, product commodity classification, and other logistics information, practically the what, who, how, and when, while transferring the asset. As you can imagine, every day a shipper could hand over a multitude of documents to the collecting logistics provider, who in turn will need to sort them out for every destination and pass the information to other entities for process management and control. This is a data-intensive process. Data accuracy plays a significant role in achieving success. In a typical logistics network, any member such as shipper, logistics provider, government agents, brokers, or the clearing agents could add or alter data and information. The traditional tasks are labor-intensive and tedious. That adds processing time and increases the risk of errors. For logistics, success means complying with fiscal, legal, and custom requirements for the least processing time. For the Customs Declaration MVP, we've applied blockchain to share information within the logistics network. Data will be available at Singapore Customs time, with information originally generated at IBM Poughkeepsie and inputs from logistics and financial systems. It will be accessed in one single place and will include historical timestamp of transactions. For this MVP, we focus in managing Poughkeepsie shipments data needed in the import declaration process in Singapore. We design a user interface where we bring together information that can be visible and trusted by all members, data in the same place at the same time. The MVP has provided details behind key data. Blockchain can capture last-minute updates, logging data changes, and timestamp. The solution emphasis was to foster confidence and credibility while eliminating delays and errors. The blockchain solution also provided an electronic representation of otherwise hard copy documents. Shadowing the traditional process, we did learn and were able to validate future benefits in the logistics process. Blockchain can share information only what is permissible to see. We can add blocks to the chain and certify its validity. Members perform consensus and validation timestamp. For Singapore MVP, the final timestamp was made by customs authorities. Singapore Customs Declaration Pilot has shown that we can improve communication peer-to-peer. The Singapore blockchain experience has set the foundation for a global network beyond imports. Future MVPs will include other logistics processes, export regulations, invoice validations, accounts payable, and accounts receivable. It's IBM's intention for supply chain data and business in general to be blockchain validated. And when we link to that end-to-end shared ledgering, the ability to embed business rules and business logic with smart contracts, then we really start to see a way in the future where we can increase visibility, increase transparency, and auditability. And probably more importantly for the future, be able to re-engineer our business processes fundamentally, because by having a shared ledger, we drive trust, openness, visibility, and integrity that really is fundamental to the way we are going to operate and interact in the future.